this little lad down here with his potato. What are you doing anyway? Just taking up some bits of turf in the front and that's it, is it?
Yeah, so I'm digging up this turf and then we're extending this paving across the side of this area there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Paving and then new lawn in here.
Oh, yeah.
They want some different stuff.
Bloody ratchet is broken as well, so make a fit stop in and get a new one. Actually, I might be able to get a bloody spanner on that maybe. It'd be nice if I had my little ratchet alright, that would make it a bit quicker, but however. All we're doing is just bringing that lad in that way, just to loosen all the tension off everything.
Yeah.
Feels like it's the opposite way as well, so. Righty loosey and lefty tighty.
This is where you hear that.
Yeah. Nearly there. It should get enough space on that. Look it on that front one first. And fire her up and hopefully let the machine do the work. Tommy Cooper would say just like that.
Yeah.
And then just tighten it all back up again.
Hi everyone, so in the background of this video that Tom was filming when he was on site, there was, it was in a residential area and there was a lot of people talking, so we've had to cut the volume from this one, but as you can see he's just tightening up the bolt, the tensioning bolt, and then he keeps checking the track, and in a minute you will see him putting on the cover. So as you can see here, Tom is now putting back on that cover backing plate on the tensioning nut, which he's just fitting on the Wacker Neuson 3250-27T. We hope this video helps get some of you out of a pickle, and to be sure to stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks with these and many more machines. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers!